Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelema. Many people think SEO is about one thing, ranking number one. But modern search results are no longer just a list of 10 blue links. Today, Google fills the page with SERP features, things like featured snippets. People also ask boxes, videos, images, and local map packs. In many cases, these features actually appear above the first organic result. So, even if your page ranks number three, four, five, you can still capture a lot of traffic by winning one of the SERP features. Understanding how these features work is an important SEO strategy because it allows you to compete for visibility, even when the top rankings are dominated by strong websites. SERP features are simply special search result elements that Google inserts into the page. Instead of showing only standard web pages, Google tries to present direct answers, media, and structured information. Some of the most common SERP features include featured snippets, which show a direct answer pulled from a web page. People also ask which displays expandable questions related to the search. Then there are image packs, which Google shows images related to the topic. Then there are video boxes, which usually pulls videos from YouTube, and then local packs, which show nearby businesses. These features often take up a large portion of the screen, especially on mobile devices. SERP features matter because they control a huge amount of visibility. For many searches, the first thing a user sees isn't even a regular website listing. Instead, it might be a featured snippet or a people also ask box or a video result. This means that the top ranking isn't always the most visible position anymore. A page ranking fourth could still capture attention if it appears inside one of these SERP features. A page that is not even on the first page could capture attention if it's included in the SERP features. This is why smart SEO strategies focus not only on ranking positions but also SERP feature opportunities. One interesting thing about SERP features is that content formatting often matters more than authority. Google tends to pull featured snippets and people also ask answers from pages that provide clear, structured answers. For example, a paragraph that directly answers a question in one or two sentences can easily be selected as a featured snippet. Lists and bullet points also perform well because they are easy for Google to extract and display. Using clear headings like what is, or how to, or how does, or why does also increases the chances that Google recognizes your content as a useful answer. So sometimes winning a SERP feature is less about having the biggest website and more about presenting information clearly. A practical SEO strategy to analyze the SERP before writing content. Search your target keyword and look carefully at the result page. Ask yourself a few questions. Does the page feature a featured snippet? Are there people also ask questions? Are images also appearing? Are there videos? Once you identify which features appear in the search results, you can structure your content to match the formats Google already prefers. This approach allows you to compete not only for rankings, but also for SERP visibility, which is often just as valuable. Thank you so much for watching this piece of content. And the main thing that we are trying to drive home here is that you can rank number one, but there's still a lot of real estate in the SEP that you have to optimize for if you want to get the best of it. It does not make sense that people are clicking on a featured snippet of a page that is below you by three or four positions. Meanwhile, they are skipping you or they do not get to see you in all likelihood if they get what they want from that page. So, not only do you have to format your page to rank, you also have to format it to answer the pertinent questions within your niche or that are related to your keyword. And also put in the structured data elements, the schemas that are going to allow Google to recognize your content as answering these key questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.